because I got him unwedged. He's out on
Really?
the top. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I'm making progress now. Got a couple of feet out so far.
It's all the way to where the belts come together, so it may not. I think it's gonna take muscle and just. It may not come out.
Mostrar pro Jaime, que o Jaime é macho.
I want to pull back.
Aqui, velho. Aqui é mercado, velho.
You got his head?
Yeah, I have his head all the way over here.
A cabeça do bicho ali. Hã? She's be. Oh!
How far am I to reaching?
That right there.
I don't want his head.
I have his head right here.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, you got it. It all just came loose.
I don't know. I don't know if you want to touch your head or not.
Oh.
Too big? Ah, it's not too big.
It's
What kind
not
of kind?
poison. Texas rat snake.
Oh, Texas rat?
Yes.
Ah, it's not.
Not poison.
Oh, not poison. You have something. They small?
Poop.
Wow, poop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just poop.
What you doing?
Oh, that's
Put
not in
back
there,
on
right?
the.
I know. Oh, sneaky parts in the back. Okay.